I'm going to try to resurface a rotor with this old AAMCO brake lathe. I need a centering cone. Doesn't fit all the way through, but it fits. The first thing I did with this rotor is I got rid of all the rust all the way around on both sides. Cleaned it up with a wire wheel that was on my cordless drill. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put this on. Rotor next. This, then a spacer. I'm going to use this. I'm going to put the threads this way on. Might have to go with a double spacer on this. We'll see here in a second. Yep. Not a big deal. And just going to do it the opposite way. Sure that's tight. I'm going to switch on the machine, and I'm going to make sure that the rotor's traveling true. You kind of see the rotor up here. I'm switching on back here. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm just going to bring this find the point, bring it in. That looks pretty true. And I'm also going to grind the edges. All right. This knob right here, there's two different cuts. The first cut that you want to do should be a fast cut. I'm not sure. It's been a little while since I used this machine, so I'm going to try both settings, see if it turns slower or faster in that position. I think that's much quicker. Hard to tell. All right, the first cut I want to do is a fast cut. And then I'm going to go back and do a slow finishing cut. Can't really tell the difference in the speed, I'm sure, on the camera screen, on your video, on your computer, but you always want to have this head at a slight angle. I'm going to loosen these up a little bit. Bring it in about to the midway mark on your rotor. I want to tighten this nut down on top. I'm on a slight angle. It's nice and tight. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to listen at the same time.